Welcome to Educational World. In today's video lesson, we'll be looking at simultaneous equations, and this is the part 1. And if you find this video informative and educative, I would like you to subscribe, and also I would like you to turn on the notification icon for more notifications when I upload other videos. So what are simultaneous equations? These are equations with the same number of unknowns and they are solved together at once. For this video lesson, we will only consider simultaneous equations with two unknowns only. So how can we identify simultaneous equations with two unknowns? Simultaneous equations with two unknowns, they look like this. 2x plus 5y is equal to 20, that's equation 1. X minus y is equal to 3, that's equation 2. So they appear like this. They have two unknowns or variables. What are the ways by which we can solve simultaneous equations in general? We have the elimination method, substitution method, graphical method. But in this video, we'll be looking at mostly the first two methods, that's the elimination and substitution. So elimination method now. In this method, we will have to choose which of the variables we want to eliminate. And I will be guiding you on how to do that. Consider these questions. 2x plus 5y is equal to 20. X minus y is equal to 3. So we are going to solve these equations simultaneously. So which variable would we want to eliminate first? It's either x or y. But I will choose, I'll choose x. For this one, I'll choose x. So we still have the equation again. Then since we want to eliminate x, this is what we have to do. We have to make the coefficient of x in both equations 1 and 2 to be equal. What is coefficient? Coefficient is a number in front of that unknown or that variable. Okay? Now, in equation 1, the coefficient of x there is 2, and in equation 2, the coefficient of x is 1. So how will we make them to be equal? We then have to multiply equation 2 by 2 in order to make the coefficient of x in both equations equal. So when we do that, our equation 2 is now going to be 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. That will be the new value of equation 2. The next step is to take here is to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Okay? And we are going to do that right away. So we are going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So we have equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay, and if we do that, you see the 2x will cancel each other out. Now 2 minus 2y becomes plus 2y. So we now have 5y plus 2y. Okay, which will now become 7y. And 20 minus 6 will become 14. So we have that 7y is equal to 14. The next thing to do is to divide both sides by 7. And in doing that, we have that 7y over 7 is equal to 14 over 7. So 7 cancels 7. And we now have that y is equal to 2. Now we've gotten the value of y. To solve for s, we substitute y in either equation 1 or 2. Okay? So I choose equation 1. From equation 1, which says that 2x plus 5y is equal to 20. Now 2x plus 5 into 2, because y is 2, is equal to 20. So I'll have that 2x plus 10 is equal to 20. Now 10 we have to cross over the other side of the equation by collecting of like terms. So we have that 2x is equal to 20 minus 10, which is equal to 10. So dividing both sides by 2, I'll have that x is equal to 10 over 2, which is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. So we've been able to solve the two equations simultaneously. So we will look at another example. And in this example, we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 15 and x plus 3y is equal to 3. So we can see that the coefficient of y in both equation 1 and 2 are equal. So I will choose to eliminate y here. Okay? And to eliminate y, we just have to sum the two equations. So in summing them, we have that 2x minus 3y is equal to 15 plus x plus 3y is equal to 3. Then the 3y's will cancel out. And when they do, we now have that 3x is equal to 18. Then dividing both sides by 3, we now have that 3x over 3 is equal to 18 over 3. 3x will cancel it, the 3's will cancel each other out. We now have that x is equal to what? 6. Then we go straight to solving for y. To solve for y, we substitute the value of x in either equation 1 or 2. So I choose equation 2. From equation 2, which says that x plus 3y is equal to 3. So the value of x there is 6. So 6 plus 3y is equal to 3. Collecting like terms now, 3y is equal to 3 minus 6, which is equal to minus 3. So 3y is equal to minus 3. And when I divide both sides by 3, I have that 3y over 3 is equal to minus 3 over 3. The 3's cancel out, then y is equal to minus 1. So we've been able to solve those equations simultaneously. Now this time for you to solve these problems on your own. X minus 2y is equal to 4, equation 1, and 2x plus 5y is equal to 17. 4x minus 3y is equal to 11, equation 1, and 2x plus 5y is equal to 25. You can pause this video now and attempt these questions. And when you are done, you can now check for the answers. Now, the answers to the questions. The solution to the first problem, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 1. And the solution to the second problem is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. So if your answers are correct, then you are good to go. You can attempt any simultaneous equation. Don't forget to subscribe if you find this video informative and educative. Thank you for watching.